Yo, YouTube, how y'all doing today? It's currently 11:24 p.m. About to be a.m. real soon. I just wanted to get this video in there. It's been a minute since I posted a video. I believe it's been about 10 to 9 months since I posted on a tube, and I don't want to say that I've just been standing by idly and not doing anything. I definitely will try my absolute best to proceed to drop content about day trading, but I also don't want to limit it to day trading only. I do go to school as of right now, and just life has been coursing. I've been doing a lot of productive things, and yeah, let's get right straight into it. So this video will be it'll be for beginners, people that are interested about trading. And I want to say that I know enough to just point towards direction. I don't want to say I know a lot and do this because genuinely I do not. So I'm going to be real honest. At the moment right now, as you can see a blank screen, a Google blank screen. I'm gonna walk y'all through on how I got into where I'm at, and let's get right straight to it. Okay, so boom. Long story short, I was doing what typical beginners do. I was consuming a lot of content on YouTube. I was trying to find which works for me, what system works for me when it comes down to day trading. And I came on along this channel called ChartFanatics, and they have their website. Before, it was when I discovered them through their YouTube channel, ChartFanatics. And they have interviewed people that are very profitable, different system, different strategies, similars, and different approach on how people look at the market. And at the time, they didn't have a lot of people that they interviewed. I did do this intraday liquidity. No, I did not actually. I think he stems from ICT. I did ICT, and then I switched over to SMC, then breaking retest, support and resistant, and breaking support and resistant, and then the other ones I probably don't even remember. I think TJR does the SMT divergent. I try to get into the order flow. He does order flow. Who else? Support resistant. I don't think so. I don't know, actually. I don't know. I think at one point I tried his system. No, not his system specifically, but YouTube. I never tried his system. I'm gonna correct myself. I never tried their system specifically, but I've tried like the system that they're under the umbrella of their system, pretty much the system that they're in, and like pretty much can't speak the niche, their system that they use, that's broad and on the tube, if that makes sense. Then boom, as I'm scrolling, I landed upon this video with this trading strategy with Marco liquidity trading strategy. It's so simple, so clean. It spoke volume to me. And I do want to say this, just so y'all don't get like mixed up or think that there's like a golden formula to the market. Every single system works. It's the trader that has to be able to execute using the system properly. Now, in a real world, is that realistic? Yes, but almost to 80 to 90% of human beings fumble or make mistakes when it comes down to trading. Emotions get involved, decisions, a lot of things get involved. And I would like to say that me personally have not come across traders that says that as soon as they discover the system, they're perfectly very to the T discipline with the system. And I haven't come across that yet, to be honest. I haven't come across that. I haven't come across that system. I mean, I haven't come across a person like that. That's a golden person. It's like the golden ninja from Lego Ninjago. Even him, the golden ninja, wasn't even perfect. He still struggled somehow, some way. But yeah, I discovered the system. It's based off liquidity, and you put your email in here. Like I said before, all of these system works is just which speaks to you, and this speaks to me a lot more. And the strategy rules, it just speaks volume to me. So I got the email, and I felt like it wasn't enough, so I went to YouTube, ChartFanatic. I can't spell fanatics for some reason. Fanatics, ChartFanatics. All right, boom. I go to their channel, and maybe this wasn't. Where's the videos? Okay, so go to the videos, and Marco, boom. At the time this got released,
Has liquidity?
I discovered this, and I knew it wasn't enough, so I went to their link, and I clicked here, and I just went down the rabbit hole of this, and I consume a lot of their content for a hot minute, but I was still getting like sidetracked. I was still getting sidetracked by other content, and I was like, nah, I need to focus on one. So boom, I erased everything in my head. Well, not right away, but since I've done so much content consuming, build up a lot of bad habits, I had to unlearn the bad habits and start building real habits. I still struggle to this day. I've reached levels with the system for me to say that I could say that I've become profitable with the system. But yeah, so boom, one video I would say to start or watch is this one and this one, in two particular order. I'll do this on another video. So boom, I was like, no, I don't think this is enough, and I wanted to invest into their system. So I went right here. Yeah, so I went to the website, and I was like, yo, this is it right here. First and foremost, this does not look like this. This looks very clean, tidy up, less confusing. At the time, it looked like this. So boom, I'm gonna just get to the point, and I'm gonna end the clip. I'm gonna end the video real soon, so I can do part 2. There's 3 of these: blueprint, bootcamp, lifetime package, and monthly packages. These are what all of these provide. Me personally, I don't, actually, just out of curiosity. Okay. So boom, I have access to the 650. How I ended up across the 650, I went to the website. I wanted more videos. I wanted to understand the system a little bit better. The program broke it down a little further, more definition, more examples, how the system works. I was still getting confused about the technical words of the system, traps, liquidity, inducement, and that's about it. Nothing crazy. I got this, and I progressed. I'm still in the process of becoming a profitable trader. I've passed a lot of evaluation accounts and failed them, and this time around I'm looking to pass. Soon it'll be my birthday, and I'm gonna spend the next chapter of my life cracking this down, focusing school, trading, work, and eventually, as I become more exposed to trading, gaining a lot of knowledge, developing my mind to work with the system, I'll proceed to find success. So pretty much, if I was to recap for this video, step 1, let's say go to ChartFanatics.com and choose, go through these traders' profiles, their stories, even watch their videos, or even go to the ChartFanatics YouTube channel and if I was to have a recap on the clip on the of this whole video, I would say go to ChartFanatics.com. Go through their system. These traders, all of them are successful. Their system works. You just have to be the right person to understand the systems, see what clicks for you, what you connect with, and then go from there. I'll end the video here. Thank you for watching. See you to the next one. Oh, before I do go, I would like to I think the next video I'll be making will be about like how I'm progressing, I guess you could say. We'll go from there. But yeah, thank you for watching. See y'all on the next one.